Now let us solve 7th bit. So in the 7th bit we are having p³ plus 27q³ plus r³ minus 9pqr. Okay, so let us write pq plus 27 can be written as the cube of 3. Okay, and q is already cube, so we can write the common cube for both. Next is r³ minus, it's in the form of a³ plus b³ plus c³ minus 3abc. Okay, so 3, a is p, b is 3q, and r. Okay, so let us write down the formula. So the formula is a³ plus b³ plus c³ minus 3abc, which is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so let us write a is p plus b is 3q plus c is r, a is p plus b is 3q plus r. These are all in squares, so let us write down square minus ab, p into 3q minus bc, 3q into r minus ca, r into p. So here we can write p plus 3q plus r, p square plus 3 square is 9, q square plus r square minus 3pq minus 3qr minus pr. So this is the required solution. Now let us solve 8th bit. 8th bit is 9m² minus 12m plus 4. Here if you see it carefully, this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so let us write down this as 3m² minus 2a and b plus 2 square. So this will be 3m and b is 2. Okay, so here we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square. So here a is 3m minus b is 2. Now let us solve 9th bit. 9th bit is 9x³ minus 8 by 3 y³ plus z³ by 3 plus 6xyz. Okay, so first of all we will try to take out 3 common. Okay, if we take out 3 common, we will get 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by I want to take out 3 common from denominator. Okay, so if we take out, since in the 9x³ we are not having 3 in the denominator, so that means we need to multiply and divide. So 3 9s are 27x³ minus 8y³ plus z³. Okay, just z³. We already got 3 out. Okay, plus 3 6 are 18 x, y, z. So we got that common. Okay, 1 by 3 into 27 can be written as 3x whole cube minus 8 is the, let us write negative. Okay, negative 2y whole cube plus z cube. Okay, minus 3abc. So what is a? A is 3x, and what is b? Minus 2y and z. So what has happened here? See, minus into minus is plus. Okay, that is plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, x into y into z, x y z. Okay, so let us write down the formula over here. So the formula here is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so now we need to write down the values here, substitute the values in this formula. So already we are having 1 by 3. Okay, and a plus b plus c. What is a? 3x minus, so what is that? B minus 2y plus z into a square is 3x square plus minus 2y whole square plus z square minus a. A is 3x and b is minus 2y minus bc. B is minus 2y and c is z minus ca, that is z, and a is 3x. So we got 1 by 3, 3x minus 2y plus z into 3x, this is whole square, so this will be 9x square, minus square is plus, so 2 square is 4y square plus z square, minus and minus plus, 2 3s are 6, x into y, minus into minus plus 2yz minus 3zx. So this is the answer. Now let us solve 10th bit. So in the 10th bit we are having 4x square plus 9y square plus 36z square plus 12x xz plus 36yz plus 24xy. So here this 4x square can be written as 2x whole square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3y whole square plus 6z whole square. Okay, plus we can write 2ab. So 2, what is a? 2x, and b is 3y plus 2 3y into 6z plus 2 ca. Okay, so c is 6z and a is 2x. So let us write down the formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so now we can directly substitute. What is the value of a? A is 2x plus b is 3y plus c is 6z whole square. Now 11th bit, so 27u cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9u square by 2 plus u by 4. Okay, so first of all we need to rearrange this. If we rearrange this, we will get first 27u cube, okay, minus 9u square by 2 plus u by 4 minus 1 by 216. Okay, so let us write this 27 as 3 cube. Okay, so 3u whole cube minus 3a square, that is 3u square, since a is 3u. Okay, so 1 by last one will be 1 by 6, since 1 by 216 is the cube of 6. So if you want, you can do like that, plus 3ab square. We can leave this and we can directly go for the last term, that is 216. So 216 can be written as the cube of 6. Okay, so here we got a and b. So a is 3u and b is 1 by 6. Okay, so this is in the form of a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b whole cube. So in place of a, we got 3u minus b is 1 upon 6 whole cube. So this is the required solution.